It's 4:55. You want to go home. Your boss sends you a message. I need that project plan by the end of the day. And you say, I just can't. And I say, I just Gantt. That's right, IJustGantt.com. Brand new AI tool that you can make a project plan in less than 30 seconds. I'm going to walk you through it and get you home by 5 o'clock with a very snazzy project plan and document to go along with it. So let's dive in. Go to IJustGantt.com, come on the landing page, really quickly, real-time collaboration, AI-driven project planning, interactive Gantt charts. That means you're not chatting, you're building real Gantt charts. Now, what do we want to build? What does our boss want us to do? Well, maybe we need a brand new ERP system, custom built using JavaScript for front end and Python for back end. And starting, I don't know, what's today? April 24th. And ending, I don't know, in 6 months. So IJustGantt.com lets you come along and build in your project plan and just describe anything you want. And there is your Gantt chart. So we go activities, requirements, database design, back-end development, front-end development, API integration, module testing, integration testing, user training, go live and support. So there we go. We have a 6-month project plan broken down. And maybe I want a summary of this. So let's generate a little project summary based on our project plan. Well, that was pretty fast. And maybe we need to add a budget. So I'll say, let's make the budget 500K. Let's do that. Oh, look, now our budget's 500K. Now let's break down front-end development into 5 phases. Let's do that. Maybe we want a little bit more granularity in our project plan. So now front-end development is going to go away. And now we have planning, UX, core functions, advanced functions, and optimization. And look, we also have dependencies. And so if you're sliding things around, when you have a conflict, when your plan doesn't work, your dependencies illuminate in red. You get a red outline. Okay, well, let's have a look at those dependencies. These are all of the things that have to happen in a particular sequence by type, finish to start in this instance. So these are all the dependencies. If your plan doesn't make sense, you just hit fix dates. And now all of your dates are in the clear. You've got a very clear project plan. You've got a budget. Maybe we'll give one last update here. I don't know, what are we at? 2 minutes and 55 seconds. All right, let's hit save on that. Let's download this project plan. Let's go into gamma.app. So let's bring in our content. We have our entire project plan here in JSON. Make me a wonderful document from this JSON project plan. All right, so what do we want? We want a document. We want some JSON. We want to paste it in. We want to continue. And we're going to generate some text, and we're going to make it formal. We're going to make it 8 pages long, and we're going to pick our style, and we're going to generate that project plan. Let's have a quick look at the project plan as it gets created. Oh, look, a custom ERP system development project plan. Well, isn't this nice? Utilizing Java and Python. Oh, that's a good idea. Let's have a look at the overview. Here's our project timelines and phases. Oh, what a nice breakdown. Development, API integration, testing, deployment, and here we go. Development approach. Look at that. We have all of the components, the whole breakdown, the whole testing strategy. Okay, UAT, here we come. This is what we want. This is the big payoff. Deployment and go live. Yes, come on, September. Just in time, 6 months. And finally, what do we have? Budget allocation. How are we going to spend our $500,000? And what do we want to get out of it? There's some good insight. Just in time, you hit download, export, PDF, done. You did it. You made a project plan. It has timelines. It has technical information. It has a budget. Let's have a look at it. And you hit send on this sucker, You send it in just in time and you're out. All right, well, this is a bit of fun, but the point is that I want to show you this new tool. Now, this tool is built on exactly what I showed you about a week ago, which is the AI starter template. Now, it looks like the AI starter template. That was on purpose. I really didn't want to modify it that much. The point is that I didn't change any of the backend. I didn't change any of the technical components. I just changed 2 Vue.js components, and I created a fully interactive, real-time, multi-person project planning tool that will take any of your input and it will build you whatever project plan you want. We've got our chat here in the window, so if there's other people, we can say, hey, and send some messages. So you can put a whole chat history with your project. You can build out as many projects as you want on starting an apple orchard. And you and all of your team can come in and build these and modify them in real time. So this isn't just one person, this is everyone on your team jumping in. You can look at all of the different steps that you have here. You can look at where the dependency chart falls by clicking here. You see all of the dependencies. You can fix your dates if your dates are screwed up, which they were. You can add your own activities. So let's say you wanted your new activity, go tree shopping. And let's say you wanted to do that for a good amount of time. You can add that in there. So you're going to go tree shopping. You can slide that over here so you can manually change these dates. You can the whole start and end. You can adjust it. You can add dependencies. You can change who it's assigned to. So the owner is Janik. I'm going to go tree shopping. Excellent. So now you actually have who's going to do what. You have the full breakdown. You've got the description of the task, some task. Save that. And now you are able to rock and roll, build a summary. It takes 2 seconds with all of the details that you need. Hit save, export, a full project plan. It's fast as that. And with multiple people adding to it, you're going to make it even more robust. So for tree procurement, change tree procurement to shopping at 5 different locations for my species. And it will take any part of your project plan, it'll blow it up, it'll refactor it. So now we have shopping for trees in 5 locations right there. Boom, 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 boom. They're all tying down to planting the trees. So these are all going to be dependencies for tree planting. We have a whole plan. That's it. And then anytime you're ready to go, you can just export that. You can modify it. You can update it. So that is IJustGantt. And you can take the AI starter template and come up with your own ideas, or take IJustGantt and come up with your own ideas as well and leverage the code. I really want you to build meaningful, powerful tools that are going to boost your productivity, leverage what's available like I just did with Gamma, and show me what you can do with this tool and show me what you can do to help your organization get more productive.